Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel bhuvanaskitchen. In this video, I am going to do unboxing of Prestige Multicooker. It's a 1 liter multicooker which I bought recently. We'll tell the features of this model and reasons why I bought this. So now let's get started. This Prestige Multicooker will be handy when I need to cook smaller quantities of food. The size is pretty compact so that I can use it during family outings. It has an elegant glass lid with a stainless steel rim. Apart from that, it has a special accessory for boiling egg, and you can boil maximum of 6 eggs. I believe you can boil potatoes too. Apart from that, you have a special attachment to remove the egg tray after boiling. As you can see, the inner stainless steel vessel is wide open and it will be easy to clean. For washing the cooker, we have to remove the jar from the base, but removing the inner stainless steel vessel from the base is not possible. The kettle has a 360 degree swivel base, because of which you can rotate all the sides and it's convenient for using. About the power, it's 600 watts power and you have a power indicator and also a power control like high or low. So you have the options to cook either in high or low mode. The handle looks pretty stylish, and there is one more feature which they have mentioned, like it has an automatic power cutoff for dry heating. So now I'll explain what we can cook with this multi-cooker. We can prepare instant noodle, we can cook rice, boil eggs, brew soup and make instant tea or coffee. And also you have a user manual with lots of instructions like the technical specification and how it operates, and how to prepare rice, soup, and how to brew a tea, and how to make a porridge, and also how to clean. You can cook maximum of 300 grams rice. That's what it's mentioned in the user manual. So finally, now let's discuss about the guarantee period and the price. This Prestige Multicooker has 1 year guarantee period. I bought this in an offer price for Rs 1399 in Amazon flash sale last month. So I'll give you my review on this product after using it for few months, like how it works, does it work as mentioned, and is it worth to buy. Now we are at the end of the unboxing video, and this is not a sponsored video, and I bought this product just for my personal use. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please give your comments and suggestions, if any, in the comment section below. See you all soon again with another interesting video. Thanks for watching.